Dude, I think I was in your shadow the whole time. You were going so slow, I was gonna hit you.
I was going down, I'm like, I'm probably blocking all this shot.
I can see both of you and almost all of it.
Oh, really?
Here.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, that's the one we got the video or the pictures on. I think that's the one that bears were on too.
No, that bears were on the drop-off one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the drop-off.
Look at that bowl maker. Half pipe.
Huh.
All right, let's go. That was fun.
We're looking Jimmy at first, but they're really not that bad. We put that one on the white bar, so it's not bad.
Ooh, wait, hang on. What's all this say? Big rig and downtown. Chunky, huh? Nice little berm there. Here comes the fun berm section. Hold up. Or not. No photos on this one. Oh, shoot. Are you okay, dude? Hold up. Take it easy. Take it easy. Hold up. No. I think that might be on the GoPro.
Really?
Yeah. If it's still on.
Did I hit the log?
I don't know. I'll have to review the footage. You've done harder things. A lot harder things. How's that shoulder feeling though? You sure? Got it all on video, including this right now. Any words you'd like to say?
I feel fine. I just don't know what happened. I think it was like too much front brake.
You crashed. That's what happened. I heard something hit. I think a pedal.
Yeah, I heard